Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is softlife.com and welcome. So in this video, I have decided to put together answers to questions that I get a lot. I thought, how about I make a video and share with you guys what I actually use to do what I do. Hey guys, welcome back. So let's go straight to the video editing apps that I use for my videos. So next is the CC Express. CC Express gives the same effect or service as Canva if you're familiar with Canva, but the good thing about this one is that you can create from scratch without internet connection. If you're familiar with Canva, then you know that you cannot use Canva without internet connection. So I can start with solid color. Choose my ratio, which is, this is my favorite in YouTube thumbnail, because that's the same size for the YouTube. So I could basically type what I want on here, softlife.com, right? So I've tapped on this one now. I have the font. I can choose any font from here. I can choose the color of the font, right? And opacity, that's how visible you want it to be. Effects, these are text effects, and to show you what you want them to look like. One of the reasons why this one is under the category of videos rather than pictures is because it has the ability to animate my texts for me. So say I want this text to look like it's animated, all I have to do is to click this animation, and I have several options: the text typewriter, text dynamic. So click on them and then it does these things. My YouTube intro video where I just, the very brief 14-second video, this is what I used to make my text animation. So that's basically what I do, and I can do so many designs with these, and save my stuff and all of that. So and go to the online template and get a template for you to work on, and it's easier for you, but that is when you have internet. So that's basically that for the CC Express. I'm just going to rush through these because I don't want this video to be extremely long. Okay, next is the Pro Movie. Pro Movie is what I use for some kind of filming that I need to do. This one is a bit more technical, so people who are familiar with photography or videography and all of those parameters will find this really comfortable. But for beginners, you may just get yourself confused with this. If you like to explore, fantastic. Please, by all means, go ahead and explore Pro Movie for yourself and have fun with it, and it gives you an amazing output. So let's just leave that one. Now the next is Focus Life. Focus Life is I think is my, should I say, second favorite or third favorite, because the major effect that this gives me is that I'm able to shoot on this application and have a blurred background effect. So this is what this one does. Just amazing, actually. You can film on there, just basically do stuff, right? So it's got different parameters on the foot of the screen. Just go through them and find out what they do. There is text, there is emoji, subtitle, effects, background, and all of that. Speed, color, filter, reverse, freeze, chroma key, mask, blur, opacity, blend, and lots of others. So you can get the effects that this has even on VN, so you don't need to really stress a lot unless there's a particular effect you're looking for that is not on VN. Then you can come here and include that. Now the next is CapCut. I think people are really more familiar with CapCut than any other one. So CapCut is basically the same thing with VN and others. So they have different effect icons at the foot of the screen, just to go through them and see what they do. So there are different effects on here that you can use to create your magics. I'm not going to sleep on this one. So CapCut is there. 3D Lots Mobile is the next one. I don't really use this one a lot unless maybe I have a job to deliver and I'm looking for some kind of effects to go with the video that I need to work on. I'm gonna use this one now. So
okay, I lost the audio in this part, but basically 3D LUTs lets you adjust the colors and filters of your video. If you're looking to achieve a cinematic feel to your video, then 3D LUT is actually cool for you to use. On this one, you've got different parameters where you can adjust the looks, tone mapping, black, vignettes, saturation, and all of that. So when you have got what you're looking for, just go ahead and save your video file to your gallery.
well, next is Intro Maker. I already talked about Intro Maker that I hardly use it because I just recently got it and I haven't really explored what it does. So that's it guys for my video editing applications. So my top recommended ones would be the VN, the Focus Live, CapCut, and Vidiq. I hope you found this video really useful.
So thank you for watching once again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.